Perfect chest workout for beginners. If you want to get some well-defined pecs, then you need to work on adding inches to your chest. A beginner's chest workout must be well-rounded. In this video, we will be giving you a perfect workout that is sure to hit every angle of your chest to increase its strength and muscle size. Also, don't let it get to you if you're all new to lifting. After all, every perfect physique achieved had to begin from nothing. Some of these exercises may already be familiar to you, such as push-ups, and we will be talking a lot more about this and the rest, so make sure to keep watching. Let's get started then. Exercise 1. Push-up. 3 sets and 8 to 10 reps, 90-second rest. Go on all fours and put your hands underneath your shoulders with your arms straight. Keep your hips in line with your shoulder and lower yourself as close to the floor as you can. Make sure not to drop your hips to the floor or stick your butt in the air. Press your wrists powerfully into the floor. Exercise 2. Bench press. 3 sets and 8 reps, 90-second rest. Lie on the bench with feet on either side and touching the floor. Take a grip just wider than shoulder width distance. Lower the bar down and keep your hands directly above your elbows. As you lower the bar, breathe in and pause briefly at the bottom. Then exhale as you press the bar up while keeping your head still and your neck neutral to ensure that the bar is following the same straight path. Exercise 3. Incline dumbbell bench press. 3 sets and 8 reps, 90-second rest. Set the bench to a 45-degree angle, then lie on it with a dumbbell on each hand. Begin with the weights resting on your chest. Press the flat plates together to keep your palms facing each other. When pressing up, keep the weights pressed together so you're tensing your pecs along the process. Lower back down and let the weights rest shortly on your chest, then repeat. Exercise 4. Cable crossover. 3 sets and 8 reps, 60-second rest. The cable should be at the same level as your shoulders. Grab both handles and lunge forward into a split stance. Press the cables in front of you, then gently let the cables pull your arms back. This way they've stretched apart. Then exhale and bring the cables into the middle of your torso. Keep going until the cables cross over and only stop when there's a gap between your hands. For each rep, alternate which hand is on top. Exercise 5. Medicine ball chest pass. 1 set and as many reps as possible in 2 minutes. Start with the kneeling position and hold the medicine ball with your 2 hands at chest height. Getting as much power as possible, throw the ball straight to the wall, following through with your hands as if you're replicating the pressing position of an explosive push-up. Take note that it's natural to fall forward a bit with this movement. So, what do you think? Seems doable for a novice, right? Comment your thoughts below.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel.